Hello everyone, today we are going to start our new chapter from the Beehive book, and the title of this chapter is The Little Girl. And the writer of this chapter is the Catherine Mansfield. Now, Catherine was born on 14th October 1888 in New Zealand, and she died on 9 January 1923 at the age of 34. And her pet name is Catherine Mansfield. And obviously when she was born in New Zealand, तो obviously उसकी जो citizenship होगी वो भी New Zealand की होगी. Now, the title of the story completely refers to the character, and then we'll come across the little girl named Kezia. Now, Kezia, this is the story of Kezia, a girl named Kezia, and the theme of the story is the relationship between the children and their parents. And the writer, that is Catherine Mansfield, wants to tell us that the children share a very important bond of love with their parents. Although when children are small, when they are young, even they don't feel that their parents love them because their parents are strict. ठीक है, तो ये ऐसी स्टोरी है जिसमें बताया गया है कि जो बच्चे होते हैं वो बहुत छोटे होते हैं, तो उनको ये नहीं पता होता कि उनके पेरेंट्स भी उनको लव करते हैं. थोड़ा सा अगर वो डांट देते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि हमारे पेरेंट्स दे ऑलवेज स्कॉल्ड अस. ओके, सो दे डोंट नो that उनकी जो पेरेंट्स हैं, that their parents also love them because their parents are strict, and many actions of parents seem unjustified, so they think that their parents don't love them. But as children grow up and they realize that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial for them, and the parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for the children. And this bond of love between the parents and their children has been highlighted through the story. Now, what happened when we are small, when we are very small, even we don't know why our parents are being strict with us. But as we grow older and we became mature, and at that moment we realize why they are being strict with us. And when we are realized that, then we also realize that our parents love us. So even you can also relate this story with you. So you can also feel that when you were younger, and the actions of your parents, they did, the strictness that they had towards you was for your betterment. And as you will grow older and older, you will realize that in the past, whatever acts your parents did with you for your betterment, only for your betterment, and in fact they really love you. Now, इस जो स्टोरी है, it is all about the Kezia. She was a very little girl. She feared of her father. She thought that her father was like a giant. Now he had big hands. Okay, he means her father. Her father had a big hands and big neck. His mouth was also very big. She always avoided him. She thought that he was very cruel. Now Kezia's father worked in an office, and whenever he went to an office in the morning, जब भी ऑफिस जाने से ऑफिस जाते हैं तो बिफोर गोइंग ही वेंट टू द लिटिल गर्ल्स रूम. जब भी ऑफिस जाते हैं उससे पहले वो अपनी जो डॉटर है उसके रूम में जाते हैं, एंड ही गेव हर अ कैजुअल किस. The father went to the office in a carriage. She felt very happy after the father had gone. Now what happened, जब भी वो ऑफिस जाते हैं तो उसके अपने डॉटर के पास जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा उसको पैम्पर करते हैं, एंड पैम्पर मीन्स उसे लाड प्यार करना. एंड द फादर जब ऑफिस चले जाते हैं अपने व्हीकल में, कैरियज मीन्स इन अ व्हीकल, तो आफ्टर डैट शी फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी कि अच्छा उसके फादर अब चले गए हैं, तो वो बहुत खुश होती है. एंड इन द इवनिंग द लिटिल गर्ल्स फादर केम बैक, और जब वो वापस आते हैं ही स्पोक लाउडली इन द हाउस, एंड केजिया फियर्ड हर फादर्स लाउड वॉइस. और जब वो इवनिंग में वापस आते हैं और घर में लाउड आवाज़ में, तेज़ आवाज़ में जब बोलते हैं, एट दैट मोमेंट वो थोड़ा डर जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ हर फादर्स लाउड वॉइस. हर मदर वुड आस्क हर टू गो एंड टेक ऑफ हिज शूज़, और उसकी मदर उसको बोलती हैं अपने फादर के पास जाओ, उनके शूज़ उतारो. व्हेन शी एंटर्ड हिज रूम He looked at her sternly. Kezia thought that her father was a hard-hearted person. और जब भी केजिया अपने फादर के रूम में जाती है और उसके फादर जब उसको देखते हैं तो उसको लगता है कि उसके फादर तो बहुत ही क्रूल हैं और वो थोड़ा डर जाती है. सो दिस इज़ इनफ फॉर टुडे एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस चैप्टर इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो.